my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is from the huge music streaming company Spotify. They need no introduction. This is a very high paying job. It is non-phone, and you don't need any kind of degree for this position. It is possible to get high paying positions without degrees. Companies pay for experience, so even if you have a job you're not necessarily fond of, it's better to work those little jobs, gain that experience, and have that on your resume, working up towards a very high paying job, rather than go into student loan debt for a degree that may not pay off. So it absolutely can be done. Of course, as always, the links to everything I share, if you're interested in putting the application in, is in the YouTube description box below this video. But Spotify is hiring an executive assistant. Now, let me know in the comments down below if you like non-phone jobs, like administrative assistants, executive assistants doing all the administrative work, or you prefer just straight data entry jobs. Now, they do have an office in New York if you are in New York and can swing by. Otherwise, this is remote for the Americas. Now, they're looking for someone to schedule work-related meetings and events, including managing calendars, on short notice, handle expense reports, and other day-to-day administrative tasks. You'll coordinate extensive business travel logistics with detailed itineraries for the executives. You'll coordinate, set up, and execute off-site and team-building activities and departmental social events. You'll plan and complete internal all-hands team meetings and events. You'll complete and plan client events. You'll act as the team's point person for any questions, concerns relating to business, meeting agendas, and calendar planning. And of course, you'll do the meeting and calendar organization, booking, travel, and processing, invoicing, and payments for those executives. Now, again, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They do want somebody who has 5 years or more experience reporting to a senior level executive. That doesn't mean you were their sidekick. It just means you were reporting to them. Someone who can be highly organized and efficient with attention to detail, someone who can be a self-starter, forward thinker, and problem solver, someone who can meet tight deadlines, and a multitasker who can manage multiple projects at one time. Of course, you have to have a proficiency in Mac programs, Microsoft Office Suite, and Google Apps, so you need to know how to use computers pretty well, especially a Mac. Someone who is comfortable doing presentations, creating them, and delivering them through Keynote, Google Slides, or PowerPoint. Now, of course, this is remote and they allow you to work from anywhere. However, their working hours, it says they operate in the Eastern time zone, so you might have to convert your time zone to that to see if it will work for you. But the best part about this job is that it doesn't require a college degree and it pays well. Pay starts anywhere from $96,849 a year all the way up to $121,061 a year. And here they talk about the benefit package where they offer standard paid time off, 401k, medical, dental, vision, all of those things. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave any comments in the box that you want. Specifically, if you have any suggestions for things I can do to improve this channel, things you don't like that I'm doing that you would like to see me stop doing, please leave them down below. I'm trying to take any feedback and change things up a little bit, but I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.